Hello, good day. Anywhere you are watching me from across the globe, I want to congratulate you if you are a Pi miner, if you are a pioneer. I want to congratulate you because this Pi is now becoming a reality. You see, even up to this point, a lot of people are still doubting the veracity of Pi. But I want to tell you, it doesn't matter. I bet you a lot of people will commit suicide once Pi is launched. A lot of people will rain curse on themselves when Pi is launched because they had the opportunity. That is what they will be saying, that they had the opportunity, but they could not maximize the opportunity because of their misconception about Pi. But that notwithstanding, that is not the reason why I'm doing this video. The essence of this video is to tell you the mistake I made while I was doing my KYC, and I don't want anybody to make that mistake. You can see how frustrating it will look, or it may be, when the KYC that we have been waiting for years eventually pop up and we were unable to pass the KYC. It is very, very frustrating. I did my own, I made that mistake. I don't want anybody here to make that mistake. That is why it is very important that you watch this video, you like this video, and share this video to help your brother not to make such mistake. And apart from that, in my channel, you have to like InfoDem channel, you have to subscribe to this channel, because immediately Pi is launched, there are thousands of companies that are already registered with Pi. They want to be transacting business. I will be uploading videos on how you can actually transfer, how you can actually transact business with your Pi. That is why it is very important that you subscribe to this channel. Now, what happens when you are doing your KYC? I want you to note that there are 4 major means of identifications that Pi accept when you are doing your KYC. And the number 1 is premium NIN. The number 2 means of identification is your driver's license. The number 3 is your national ID card. The number 4 means of identification is international passport. If you have any of these, you can be sure that you will do your KYC successfully. But a lot of people, especially in Nigeria, mistaking the premium NIN or the national ID card for their NIN slip, which is not okay, because when you try it, you'll be stuck. That was the mistake that I made while trying to do my KYC. I used my NIN slip, the paper one, and I was stuck. Up till now, I'm still waiting for validator. You can see how frustrating it is because of the joy when I saw. That is why it is very important. Don't rush when your KYC pop up. If you don't have any of these means of identification that I just mentioned, if you don't have them on ground, please don't go into it. Just wait. It will still come. It will still pop up again. You are already eligible for KYC. The means of identification that I mentioned, the premium NIN, the driver's license, the international passport, and national ID card, you must have any of these means of identification. And how do you do it? When you want to snap them, you snap them. Don't snap them vertically. Snap them as per landscape. Snap them as per landscape. That is what is accepted in KYC. So don't rush. The mistake I made was to use that one. I got stuck. So I don't want anybody to make such mistake. And if you look at this means of identifications, the easiest one to get, especially in Nigeria, is the premium NIN. Is the premium NIN. And how do you get that? There's this application on your store, the NIMC application, that you can easily download. You input your details, it will bring out your ID card. Then you can walk to any cafe and print it out. Apart from you using it to do your KYC, it's also a legal, it is also tenable in any institution or organization as a valid means of identification in Nigeria, and it has no expiring date. So it's very important that you get this ready. And there's something that I noticed while doing KYC for people. The premium NIN is the fastest. It's very fast. In less than 10 minutes you will pass your KYC. So I don't want anybody to make such mistake. Don't use your NIN slip, the paper one. Go for any of these means of identification if you want to do your KYC, and I bet you will pass it. Pi is almost becoming a reality. It's something that we have been waiting for a very long time, and I want to bet you Pi will bridge the gap between the rich and the poor. So if you are still there and you don't believe that Pi is real, I will advise you can still start now. You can still start now. Between now and the day that Pi will be launched, even if it is 10 Pi that you have, you can still be happy that you will still be happy that you are a pioneer. And if you don't know how to go about it, all you need to do is to go to your Google Play Store, download Pi application and Pi browser application, and if you need a referral code to when you are filling your information, if they ask you for a referral code, you can simply use my own referral code. If you wish, you can use my referral code, or you get somebody from your area and use their referral code, so that you can be part of this move, because you will be surprised. When Pi is launched, a lot of people will nearly commit suicide. A lot of people will rank us on themselves, especially all those doubting Thomas. But I want to assure you that Pi is almost becoming a reality. I think it is our turn. They should bring Pi. Our local. It is our turn. It is our turn. Let them bring it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you find it very interesting, because as soon as Pi is launched, every opportunity in Pi on how you can transact with your Pi, how you can buy things from abroad with your Pi, I will be uploading it in this channel, info there. So please, that is why it is very important for you to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, and also make sure you bang the bell, so that whenever any video is uploaded, you can be duly notified. Till the launch of Pi, be good.